Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Autopedia channel. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you a very detailed and in-depth comparison between two of Volvo's most exciting electric SUVs, the 2026 Volvo EX30 Cross Country versus the 2025 Volvo EX30. In this video, we're going to explore every single detail, from exterior design and dimensions to interior features, technology, and infotainment, then move on to boot volume, powertrains and performance, safety and crash test results, and finally, warranty, pricing, and overall value. And as always, I want to hear from you. Which vehicles should we feature in our next video? Please leave your suggestions in the comments below. Also, stick around until the end, because I will be sharing 3 compelling reasons to buy and 3 reasons to skip each of these models. Now let's dive right in. Let's begin with the exterior design and dimensions. The 2026 Volvo EX30 Cross Country is a remarkable twist on Volvo's smallest electric SUV. It takes the familiar EX30 design and gives it a rugged cross-country treatment that transforms its appearance completely. With standard all-wheel drive, a raised ride height that is approximately 0.7 inches higher than the standard version, robust skid plates, and flared-over fenders, this model is built to conquer rough and off-road conditions while still retaining that distinctive Volvo elegance. Exclusive 18-inch wheels, paired with available all-terrain tires, further emphasize its adventurous spirit. Unique exterior touches include dark gray accents on the front and rear body panels, a topographic etching of the Kebnekaise mountain range on the front panel, and door panels designed to resemble native Swedish granite stone. In contrast, the standard 2025 Volvo EX30 focuses on a chic, urban design with sleek LED lighting elements and a minimalist Scandinavian aesthetic. Its proportions are compact yet purposeful, with a wheelbase of 104.3 inches, a length of 166.7 inches, a width of 72.3 inches, and a height of 61.2 inches. While both models share the same core design language, the cross-country version exudes a more rugged, adventurous vibe compared to the refined elegance of the standard EX30. Moving on to the interior features, technology, and infotainment system, both SUVs offer innovative and modern cabins that reflect Volvo's commitment to safety and sustainability. The standard EX30 features a minimalist interior that utilizes recycled materials throughout, including options that incorporate waste denim and flax-based fabrics. Its centerpiece is a vertically oriented display that measures 12.3 inches and serves both as the instrument cluster and infotainment system, running on an updated Google-based interface that includes wireless Apple CarPlay and, for navigation, Google Maps. The design is clean and intuitive, ensuring that everything you need is right at your fingertips. Meanwhile, the EX30 Cross Country builds on this foundation with added boreal flair. Interior elements, such as the front and rear panels, are finished in a sophisticated dark gray, and special design cues echo the rugged outdoors with textures and patterns inspired by the Swedish landscape. Additionally, Volvo offers a cross-country experience package with this model, which provides special incentives for outdoorsy accessories such as all-terrain tires, a roof basket, and even the opportunity to rent a fully equipped cabin in Swedish Lapland. This extra touch transforms the cabin into more than just a place to drive. It creates an immersive experience that speaks to the spirit of adventure. Now, let's discuss the boot volume. The standard 2025 Volvo EX30 is designed for urban efficiency and offers adequate cargo space that perfectly complements its compact form. According to the specifications, the cargo volume is divided into a space behind the front seats and a smaller area behind the rear seats. While the numbers might not be gigantic compared to larger SUVs, the layout is intelligently designed to maximize utility in a subcompact electric SUV. The cross-country version, while retaining most of the cargo capacity, might see slight adjustments to accommodate the additional rugged hardware, such as skid plates and reinforced underbody protections. However, Volvo has ensured that practicality is not compromised in favor of its adventurous design. Both models provide a practical boot space that should comfortably meet the needs of daily driving and weekend getaways. When it comes to powertrains and performance, Volvo truly shines with its electrified engineering. The standard EX30 is available in different configurations, with the single-motor extended range model powered by a permanent magnet synchronous AC motor producing 268 horsepower and 253 pound-feet of torque, and a more exhilarating twin-motor performance version delivering a combined output of 422 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Both versions utilize a liquid-cooled 64 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which, according to the EPA, provides an estimated range of up to 261 miles for the single motor and slightly less for the all-wheel drive versions. Acceleration is impressive too. The single motor model can reach 60 miles per hour in roughly 5.1 seconds, while the twin motor model sprints to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. The EX30 Cross Country, on the other hand, carries the same robust dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain, delivering the same 422 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. However, its performance is enhanced by its off-road tuning. With a raised ride height and specialized all-terrain tires, it is designed to maintain agility and power even in challenging conditions. Moreover, when the battery needs recharging, Volvo claims that using a DC fast charger can take the battery from 10 to 80% in just 26 minutes, a feature that is crucial for both urban commutes and extended off-road adventures. Turning to safety and crash test results, both the standard EX30 and the cross-country variant embody Volvo's legendary commitment to safety. As with all Volvos, these vehicles are expected to be equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane departure warnings with lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control with lane centering capabilities. Although specific crash test ratings for these new models have not yet been fully disclosed, Volvo's reputation, combined with advanced driver assistance systems, strongly suggests that both the EX30 and the EX30 Cross Country will perform exceptionally well in safety evaluations conducted by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Now let's examine warranty, pricing, and overall value. The standard 2025 Volvo EX30 is positioned as an accessible entry point into Volvo's growing lineup of electric SUVs. The base single-motor extended range model starts at $36,245, while the more powerful twin-motor performance model begins at $46,195. In contrast, the 2026 Volvo EX30 Cross Country is expected to be priced slightly higher, likely approaching the $50,000 mark, given its additional off-road capabilities and specialized features. In terms of warranty, Volvo offers a comprehensive package: a limited warranty covering 4 years or 50,000 miles, a matching powertrain warranty, battery components covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles, and complimentary scheduled maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles. This robust coverage, combined with the vehicle's innovative features and performance capabilities, provides excellent value for money, whether you're drawn to the urban efficiency of the standard EX30 or the rugged versatility of the EX30 Cross Country. In conclusion, both the 2025 Volvo EX30 and the 2026 Volvo EX30 Cross Country offer unique and compelling propositions. To summarize, here are 3 reasons to buy and 3 reasons to skip for each model. For the standard EX30, 3 reasons to buy include its chic, modern design, impressive performance with excellent acceleration figures, and an environmentally friendly interior that makes smart use of recycled materials. Conversely, 3 reasons to skip might be its relatively firm ride quality for some drivers, the limited cargo space compared to larger SUVs, and the fact that it may not satisfy those who require off-road capability. For the EX30 Cross Country, 3 reasons to buy include its rugged design that is built for all-terrain adventures, the additional off-road features such as raised ride height and skid plates, and the unique interior touches that evoke a sense of Scandinavian adventure. On the flip side, 3 reasons to skip it might be the higher price tag, a potentially less refined cabin in pursuit of rugged aesthetics, and a possible compromise on efficiency due to its off-road modifications. Thank you very much for joining me on this extensive comparison of the Volvo EX30 family. I hope you found this review both informative and engaging. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Let me know which vehicles you'd like to see compared in our next video. Until next time, have a fantastic day and happy driving.